about an inch lower. You're looking at inch and a half of ground clearance. But luckily I have my stock pipes over here. Put the stock side pipes back on. No scraping when we lower this bad Billy down to get it on the track at Indy. Here's new stickers, 302. And yesterday, we also got in new helmet. Matching silver to go with the Silver Surfer. I think we're gonna need to get some stickers on it, but looks pretty good. Let's check this out. That's pretty close, huh? It's not so bad. There we go. New silver helmet. Looking forward to wearing that.